Hi guys, Jonathan here, and this is my 3-month update after my procedure with DHI Australia. As you can see, the hair is really starting to thicken up. If you have a look in here, you'll probably see, and I've noticed over the last couple of weeks, loads of little hairs growing up out of where they've implanted there on both sides. And when I have a look in there, I had some put into there. One thing I think I actually didn't tell you guys is I actually had a mole removed from in here, and DHI Australia actually implanted directly into that site there where the mole was. I had it cut out, and then a month later I had my procedure with DHI Australia. They did a little bit of PRP, which they use apparently for stimulating hair as well. So they did that on there and then implanted directly in, and all of them, those hairs are exactly the same as the other one. I can't notice any difference, which is awesome. But for me, it's 3 months in and it's already really starting to thicken up. I guess I got 4 or 5 up to 12 months where I get the full results. So really confident that it's gonna just keep on looking better and better. Already I'm not doing, I haven't done this for a while, fixing up before I go into a meeting or catch up with friends. Not conscious of it at all, which is really great for me. One of the things I was actually just chatting with my wife about was back before I made the decision to go in and have a consultation, she said to me, what are you waiting for? What more information do you need to make a decision? And I guess I really thought about that at that stage, because I'd looked at every before and after photo, every video from them, all the information on the website and blog articles. I really researched a lot, and she said, what more information do you need? I guess that's something that, if you guys are watching this is probably my maybe 7th, 8th video update I've done. So maybe have a think to yourself, what more information you're looking for. If you do have specific questions or something that's holding you back, have a chat to DHI and get some information from them on it. But don't do what I did and I guess procrastinate or put it off for ages, because the best time to do it is now. I guess like you've seen in my videos, the recovery, I was surprised at how fast it was. Super quick, back to normal activities within a week. For me, so I don't think there's anything that would hold me back now if I knew what I knew now. But I'll update you guys soon on my progress. Look forward to showing you, I guess, the thicker hair. But I'll speak to you guys soon.